Hi guys and welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at how to reference a cell from another sheet here in Excel. Now if you are new here or if you find the video helpful, please give us a like and a comment down below as it really helps the channel out with the algorithm, and of course don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so for this actually very simple. What you want to do is make sure you have a couple sheets, one of which has data you'd like to reference. Go to the cell on the second sheet, and from here you want to type in equals, and then from here you want to then type in the name. So let's go for sheet 2. As you can see, that's what the other sheet is called, for example. And then from there we'll type in the cell we'd like to add. So let's go for D4, for example. Okay, now all we need to do is click enter, and you can see it has grabbed this cell from this sheet. Okay, so you can see, yeah, D4 right here. And it's grabbed that information for us. Very simple, very easy to do. Hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.